What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Seth. I've got the No Mercy GT here behind me. Today we're going to be doing a lot of things. We just got a package in the mail from Lethal Performance. This is a 170 degree Reische thermostat. I had a leaking gasket on my thermostat housing and a leaking T. I'm replacing all of it. I don't want to do it twice. We've got new rubbers, a new T, this new thermostat. I spoke with my tuner. He's adjusted my fan, so we're ready to go all the way. The car's been down a month and a half. Putting in that bigger heat exchanger and bigger pump. I can't wait to get a cold start for you guys. It's been so long since I've driven it and so long since I've heard it. I seriously cannot wait. Alright guys, thermostat's installed. I got my coolant ready to go in. Left side is the forward red or orange. That's for the radiator side. The right side is the green. That's for the coolant system for the supercharger. Keep them different colors. That way if I spring a leak, I'll know which system it's coming from. So I'm about to go ahead and get this filled up. I got the car charging right now. It's been dead for a month and a half, so we're about to charge it up and get ready to crank it up. I'm starting by filling each of these halfway up. I'm going to stop what I'm doing, check for leaks underneath before I put any more in there. I don't think there's any leaks, I just want to be sure. And we're just waiting on the car to charge anyway, so it's a good time to check for leaks. After that, I'll crank the car up. Once it comes up to temp, I'll leave the caps off, get all the air bubbles out. Alright guys, so it's the next day. I got the thermostat installed, finished, the Reach 170, took the car out, made sure there was no leaks. Everything's performing great, the car's running great. It's here behind me. I just got finished washing it. It's really cold in Louisiana still, I'm just getting it ready. You guys stay tuned, I've got a video coming up about a new wheel and tire setup I just got, so I'll be releasing that soon. Let me know what you want to see in the future. If you have any suggestions, anything you might want to see, or any questions, just let me know. If you like the video, guys, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I have some more content coming up really soon when the weather warms up. We'll get some more runs in, do some more mods, and we're ready to go. Thanks.